Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2012 Hyundai Veloster. Stock number is 4046. This model runs from 12th month 11 up to 2nd month 2018. It's a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear. Here we have bonnet, insurance quality, front bar, non-sensor type, non-washer type, left-hand front halogen headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch rims. This is left-hand front with good tyre. Left-hand front electric indicator type mirror. Left-hand front door. Left-hand rear door. Left-hand rear 18-inch mag with good tyre. Tail light has been damaged, along with the rear bar and the tailgate. Right-hand tail light has also been damaged. Right-hand rear 18-inch mag with good tyre. Right-hand side of the vehicle was damaged in an accident. Right-hand electric indicator type mirror. Right-hand guard in good condition. Right-hand front factory 18-inch mag with good tyre. Right-hand halogen type headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory black leather interior, console lid, center console, manual gear stick, left-hand sun visor, courtesy light with sunglass holder, factory touchscreen CD player, factory steering wheel with your cruise and audio control. This is Dean from Total Parts Plus. Thanks for watching this video.